Today we're still working with pencil on our folded white paper to learn how to draw the outlines of our land. With your pencil, we are going to envision first the basic size and shape that you'd want your land to be. You might consider making the shape of your island reflect the theme that you chose for your map. Draw lightly so that you can easily erase these guidelines. If you'd like to make smaller islands off the coast of your big land, go ahead and do that. With this next step, we're going to make a more specific coastline. Starting at the edge, we're going to make an uneven line. Sometimes it might come into the land to make a bay, and sometimes it might stick out a little bit more to make a small peninsula. Go slow and try to make it jagged and uneven. You don't want to make it all the same, like this, because that looks boring and artificial. We really want to be strategic about how we make these outlines to make them look as convincing as possible. You'll repeat this process with your smaller islands. If this were my brown paper, I would have quite a bit of space left here for either sea monsters and ships, or to put another island so I can add special features. Once you feel confident with this process, you're ready to move on to your brown paper. Just like we did on our sketch paper, we first want to envision where we want our main landmass to be. Bearing in mind, we need to save space at the top and on one of the sides for our banner with the title of our map and our scroll for the key. Envision first by drawing the general landmass shape that you want. You can either copy what you did on the sketch or do something new. Once I've drawn my banner and my scroll, if I decide that I have extra space, I could add more small islands. But for now, I'm just going to stick with these 4. I have the outlines done, and now I'm ready to press more firmly with my pencil and create those realistic-looking coastlines. You do not have to make this one look exactly like your practice. This is the time to make changes if you want, but it may help you to at least do something similar. It's not necessary to erase your guidelines yet. We'll be erasing this pencil much later in the process once we've gone over it with Sharpie. But now is not the time to do that.